McLaren teammates and title rivals OscarPiastri and Lando Norris crashed out of the United States Grand Prix sprint race in a collision just after the start. Piastri bounced into Norris after clipping the Sauber of Nico Hulkenberg, taking both McLarens out of the race. Aston Martin's Fernando Alonso was also forced out by the incident. The incident happened during a weekend in which McLaren's attempts to keep a lid on the tension between their drivers and let them race has been the focus of attention. The race was won by Red Bull's Max Verstappen after a brief fight with Mercedes' George Russell. Williams' Carlos Sainz held off Ferrari's Lewis Hamilton for third. Verstappen's win narrows his deficit to the McLaren drivers in the championship, and the Dutchman is now 55 points behind Piastri and 33 adrift of Norris. The Briton said, "I just got hit, right? I did nothing wrong. Further back, things happened, and I just got unlucky and got hit because of it. I need to look a bit more carefully. It's more people further back just being a bit careless, and we are the consequence of that." Piastri told Sky Sports,